Share this video. The fear of Umenga is the beginning of truth.
I can't pay the personality that was saying.
Let me play one of that track. But don't sing that song. You see this life not balance. Yes, my people, I greet you all with better start at all right there. Don't play, please share this video. I'm not going to waste time on this video. I'm not my video and the cut short. I don't want to spend much time to watch the video because people get what they use the other they do. Especially for those videos like that. As they hold the ball, I'm not going to spend more time because I know why I don't spend time on my video again because I don't conquer all these my enemies for this social media. So if they make maps now, the lion is always the king of the forest. You guys all know. I don't want to talk much. I don't that Nawuki. And the more you know Yomba, you already make your name already as the enemy of the Benin Kingdom. And the more you know Yomba, let me tell you something. Stop taking glory for what you don't, where you didn't work. Stop taking glory for where you didn't work. Eddie Murphy, hear me and hear me clear and don't deceive yourself. You did not stop human trafficking in Edo State. Our Oba of Benin Kingdom, Oba Ewa Yogediga himself. Oba of Boneko Obie Kenekene Madoyo, or the other Mwete, is the man that stopped human trafficking. You understand? You were all using human trafficking names to make money in your pockets. Yes, bro. Don't play. That was what you all be doing all this while. You were saying human trafficking must stop, human trafficking must stop. Just the way I say adulterous women to stop. Women to stop sleeping around their matrimonial home. Now, that was the way you came out with human trafficking must stop, human trafficking must stop. It is the king that stopped the human trafficking. Rather, all those human traffickers who are those women, we are giving you money for you to remove their picture from your social media space. That was what you did with all human trafficking, whatever you did. You understand? You see your friend, your in-law, they prison, all because of human trafficking. And see the way you talk today. You see the way you talk with your video today, you be really ozuo. If I say you be akbahabobo, you don't go believe. So you say they fight human trafficking must stop. Because Efe was your in-law, you know say Efe they do human trafficking there. You not stop him. Right? Eddie Murphy, you not stop him. Because by your in-law, you talk to her, you say you don't carry the con. You talk to her, you say you don't carry the. How many of those women you disgrace, you humiliated on media, when you call, talk to say, yes, you do human trafficking. When they tell say, yes, I mean, you do them. They all deny, but what do? You decide to place their picture. Immediately those women see their picture on social media, they go they fear. The next thing they go bribe you with money, maybe they remove that 50 euro. That was what we were doing with your platform all these years. So my dear, now be you stop human trafficking. Now our king and stop human trafficking. Stop the third glory of stop to the take glory for where you know so. We don't belong to you. You hear me? I tell you now, if nobody tell you, me I tell you, not be you stop human trafficking. After your rubbish and your useless talk, what if you go end as the enemy of Benin Kingdom? If you don't make you know, our great kingdom, those states know who they work according to custom and tradition. Our great kingdom can never ever betray man or sons of the land that stood for the land. Hello? Are you hearing me? They always deal with the enemy of the kingdom, the people that stand to betray the kingdom. That's the people where the Benins they exist. That's the people where the palace they punish. But be understanding, man. Anybody where they against the palace, automatically you are against the kingdom. You are against the Edo at large, both home and abroad. And such people deserve punishment from the kingdom. Anytime you visit Benin, if you don't know, make you know. You can hit on anybody, any Edo person, no problem. But when you step your dirty mouth at the movie, hear me and hear me clear. The day you step your mouth to the kingdom, to the great house of Edo State, the great palace of Benin, that day you become the enemy of Benin Kingdom. That's the reason why you go drink water for palace. If you don't know, make you know. If you don't know now, make I tell you, make you for know the reason of your atrocity. With the video you did years back. You get me? You are just trying to paint the whole story on media to look as if you are still relevant. And though people knew you are not relevant, why? Why? Because before they called for your arrest in the palace, they saw you in the palace. You went to the palace to go and take pictures alongside with the king, with the chiefs in the palace. Immediately they sight you, they recognize you. This was the boy that was lived in Germany who was throwing his useless mouth to the palace. You said no. And they said, hold on, let me go and bring the video. Before they brought the phone, where they plug their phone, you discharge from the palace, you run away. And you have to call the youth chairman, which is your in-law, Tony Kabaka. And Tony Kabaka, your in-law is here who has thrown back to the kingdom years back. And they played the video for your in-law. Your in-law has no choice. Is to submit you in the palace immediately, with immediate alacrity, as far as the palace has given an order. So shall it be. The word is final. And you were brought to the palace. And they play you the video. Is this not you? You deny. This is not you. Now computer work. That was what you said. And they say, oh, this is not you, right? Oh, you mean this is not you talking, okay? This is not your voice. The same voice you are using now, and you are denying it on phone. You say it's not you. No problem. There are ways we do things here. Since you say this is not you, you are going to swear. You are going to swear this ground. They brought out the Ojuju in the palace. Take ground, strip you naked. And you put your 2 hands and swear. You drink all your concoction and your concoction. The more you don't know, you drink all your drinkable. And they strip you naked and chase you out of the palace. Sing the song they normally sing for an enemy of the kingdom. Meaning, oh, your ba, toga sungu, the neburuba, oh, your ba, toga sungu, igbe. That is the song the whole Benin, home and abroad, used to recognize the enemy of the kingdom as custom and traditions demand. That was how you were molested and chased out of the palace. And since that day, you become the enemy of the Benin kingdom. You be one manipulator onto a level. You be one doer. You go past through the former Omanda, who is also the enemy of the kingdom now, to go lobby you, pass back here to carry you at the palace. Like say, they don't return your call, so What happens to that guy? He become the enemy of the palace. He was arrested by the EFCC, sentenced to prison. Anybody that has something to do with you always end up the way you end up. Yes, the shame and disgrace to your entire body from the palace must wear that person. Check people that have mingled with you all these years. They end up being disgraced on social media. They are shame and they spread that like a warapa. That's a generational curse. My brother, how about it now? I hear you. Enemy of the kingdom, I greet you. Now you do the video concerning a fair you hear the talk show. The Umema came out this morning before Una will come out, come to deceive Edo at large, both home and abroad. I have to come out and spoil that game, that plans. One plan. That's why they my what they pain man. If they touch no for the woman because why? They kill man the baby. Now you plan, you post a picture. You see the way they lie. You say I was arrested February. I just look. See, now when they just come from Nigeria, they arrest her. I look you and laugh. When I'm gonna sit down, I will diagnose her little about this story where I know this legitimately. Not they say we are the here. I want to talk where me know this, not be they say. But that's that. I mean, I think that's what they call each other. No weeks when they like that. That's how they control. I didn't like the fair. Watch the fair like this. What the fair they do like on stage. For that, I'm not sure they imagine the video. You don't know they. I see all of them for there. I was just listening to my official. That's what they watch. You understand? When he go tell I do video call with them. We talk, you understand? So as he come down for stage, after that time, man, you try nice one. At least for the first time, you try a nice one. We talk. I'll compliment him. You lift me, so I encourage him as a guy, as a friend. So when I watched the Murphy video, you said, let's leave the human trafficking aside. You said blah blah. You were mocking your in-law. I don't see the mocker. Fine. No, it cannot deal with the way here. And now I'm mama. I don't want to put anybody feel mock, anybody feel on to create content. Now I'm mama. You understand? But you, Eddie Murphy, why I specifically come send message to you? For the lie we felt like, you post the picture, you say you want to donate money for her. You want to donate money for her. I consider a strategy. One of the strategy where you take collect money for the people abroad, give me to go pay the business for the court will join. Fine. Now, you want to marriage now, and they want to come on that strategy. Money not digging now, the real date of the money document, the real cards. Don't say, well, see, I live fake life. All those cook and books, cardboard, and those they do. Just to contact Pepe with me, I do my own. I don't do my own. I don't go. I think of on that level. The level of marriage now, I just stay past that one. I'm thinking on that level now. I don't know the thing again now. So let's leave that aside. You guys are planning to come up with a response for this man. Let's see what will happen. Let's take lawyer. Let's do this. Let's do that. So my belief on my mind say all these years the player has been in Europe, you not get lawyer. Is that what you guys think? I've told you that's that number. Nobody should deceive you guys. So you guys feel this man has no lawyer all this year. When you think for our mind, person will get children, he get wife, he gets house for abroad here, for Italy here. He get contract, he get life contract. Before he can go put in, they can't give him a passport all these years we be here. If they go, if they get issue, he will get issue with this woman. What do they call her? Madam Gladys. You understand? You don't fair go court. So you get a belief that guy don't get lawyer. Even me, we never get document, we have to go see get lawyer. We have to carry full court, not get lawyer. No talk of person we don't do here for you, not get lawyer. That one the first mentality. We go first see, let them ahead. Now they come up and they look, they need better lawyer. That one will say they come up to take collect money for her. They want strategy. Now that strategy they will run off in your time, they go call your wife. Now here they cook the strategy they go so Eddie Murphy. I know Eddie Murphy. You understand? They want to cook strategy, they want to collect money now. Very soon they come bring the wife accounts. They'll come, these are FMC, from straight, another straight game where they collect money for them because they know people with their abroad, they know they get out of giving. They take that advantage of those people that have heart of giving to people, they make you say they use them, they fraud them. And that will stop. That has to stop. We have a lot of problem in Nigeria to face. Back home in Edo State to face. None of these hungry boys who women put for inside house, they are not working. They are not working. And they ratio that they want to do things way past their power. They don't have that money. They don't have that capacity to take responsibility. You will there close so they give people for that job. You will not just pray, say, my lovers love me. They support me. My lovers, God will bless you. My lovers, I need them. My lovers, now God will bless you. They need them for face. So be there for people where you don't receive for face. Stupidity is the highest level of all these men for social media. Their skills are they exposed. They not like me. I not pray they like me. That's why I can never make friends with them. I'm their enemy. Yes. Now I did not feel down. You want to talk one story? You say since November, then they arrest the face. As you come from Nigeria, then they grab him. I look you, I laugh. I mean, since January. So then they arrest the face. I call this guy. This guy can lie. Bros, you can lie, you. I look. I said, okay, make that up. Now, my people, February 18 was my introduction. February 18, 2022, last 2 months, was my introduction. When I listen, when I sit down. So, that my introduction day, I was in my house here. You understand? I was in my house here. That's on 17, I was in my house. I was supposed to be in my house. Not true. So, that 17th night, my senior brother can call me for phone. Bro, after I was 11, everywhere good. You are there. My wife, I call you know, yeah. Yeah, you know, I go for you. No. In a health tradition, they are going to call the family. You need to be there with her. Now, oh yes. Where is you? Now, you ask you, what's that to you? You see me, Charlie, my year. It's okay, problem. You have to be there. As early as 5 o'clock. I don't move from us. So, around that time, 10. I thought I didn't reach my wife's city. I just make a kind of full commands. Got to go to the train station. Close to the train station, I put my phone, my WhatsApp. So the school balance, I just look the upload code. Where people upload the profile picture, where they upload for their phone. I can scan a fake profile picture. Where you upload a new babe. A new babe. I could see her. They take picture, they bend, snap, they take picture. At least I just laugh. So I come, as I would, I come write nice one. Enjoyment master. You understand? Immediately, you see the write-up of WhatsApp. Then he called. That was my introduction day. As he called, I go to my wife's outside. My wife's house, my wife's house. Me, I feel the talk to her. She said, from. I say, you know, where I done, oh, I'm going now. I want mama, you don't catch that one. I'm like, I want to give her a hand. This one of my second wife, where I just take you. I just say do on code, you understand? I say, really? I say, no, you know, God, man, like, clear. Well, when we have an audio with her, yes, what balance is what another over. But I like for information, maybe I will go on a tradition, I want to tradition, because my wife, boy, you carry your pala one. So you are planning to give her. We call the laugh because say, so we have tradition, come on, and every child, now. I know, tell you come in now, come down now. See where you see where I did. Come down and you when you are now is that we understand just one door okay. I didn't marriage in a row. You will do with me normal level. You know I say be man. You do me for us my marriage day. You all day here with me and you will day together. I hope you can work. Marriage introduction I want to recommend 2 weeks time not the marriage. Which is February ended when? Ended 29. That's the month ended. February ended 29. When I listen to both in our 2 weeks, always is February anywhere. Yeah, be January, yeah, understand. If I work in Nigeria in January, no, now we like stage of the 8th of January. I work in Nigeria, we are understand February 18. my wife is young one. Or true. We talk fine. After introduction, 2 or 3 days later, I can't move again. Don't come aside. All the time they prepare things. They arrange things normally. Then, February 28th. Now come my house here. Come on my side. Because now March 2nd they are ready. You understand? That day we are come out to go my home side. I felt you upload video for your WhatsApp. As I just see all those music when they sing, I just look up. And me I call her to know. I will wait till 30th. 30th or 30th I'll call her and say now 2 days time, which is on Saturday. You understand? I'll call her go to take this action. 30th I call her. You know I ring, you know pick. And you know I ring, you know pick. I was feeling baby, it did work. If you see video, if you see my missed call, it will come in and not normally that's what they do before. So if I call on, especially if you did bar, you know will pick. Once you don't come for a crowd, you can call me here. You tell me I keep on the bar, I make you not pick, now you leave. I call on 1, 2, you know, now lock up. So, me not come understand that marriage day. Now the second one is marriage. Now come clear man. Because that was the second, as far as 5 o'clock in the morning. I don't wake up, I don't call my wife, I also place my wife here. I go watch that video, now me do that okuku, my wife goes to now do 5 o'clock, I don't wake up, speak that far. Me no like, I want to like all this disappointment of it. I like don't arrange my tea perfectly in my own way. It must not be grrr. I just do one portable my own way, so we just do my thing. Sharp. See, the woman, I said, well, sit down, basically don't want to sit down, where I see when I say, well, relax here, I go to dinner, till you stop. Don't be who. Sit down with dinner. As long as I say, your head not plenty so. You know why we're tisai with me. Not bad tisai with you. Why we're relaxed, tisai with you. No, tisai with now. No, those social people, next time, my baba no court. I'm tidying tisai with now. They look me. You just, I ballot, no, I ballot you. No, I come away as a minimum of those days. For my life, knows that I'm not tidying you. I said that where I did you because I said to her, when we call a man, Faye, now you can't marry number. So I call it over, don't go. Call her one, call her to don't go. Now you'll go. Don't want to stress myself to do my day. I don't do my thing on money. Oh, I saw that before, you know, just one. I said, but Kuna, I number 1 way, but only on a hand. Damn. We run the rest things sharply, the food or the food stuff, everything. Kappa, well, you have to them soon. My love on the web, now I want to put on we are charging the carry. Now, okay, normal level. But I also take do the things sharply before people come. Now, my in-laws, they can't come. My in-laws with the Europe here. And they can't come. They part of them, contacting everything sharply. Till the marriage starts. Since then, if I screen Facebook, I'm not seeing your update. 2 days, if you must upload something for your WhatsApp status. You may never upload. Say call number, nobody marry you. Then, this month, is it not this month? The way they do video, where they go one party where they go for Salzburg. Not be Salzburg, now Salzburg now. Where you like to go see Vinivi. And that day now I know. It's don't bad my guy. That day we say they go, where we say like to go and Vinivi for Austria. Now that day me know. It was not last week, the last 2 weeks here. And that day I didn't know, I know see me. They don't bad my guy, see what they support. Okay, my father. See what is the play with your guys, see what's happen. As I told you, my traffic thing, so you understand. Say, matter the grass is there, so they don't judge the case, they don't sentence somebody. As I move, then do I come out, committee, because when we are in the Italy. So you want to move now, go UK, go see my children. Now, I'm going to be contractor. That's what it's about my girl. Okay, what's the update now? Like I said, this one not they chose the case now. You wait till they don't judge your court, carry a go please, I don't give my 8 years. I say 8 years, yes. Oh, my previous small. But I hear I say, God, which kind of one have you? That can see nothing talk come off social media. I want this quick masters. It's I wish if you see a I can like me now. I can remember now not be human traffic, you know, and don't be when he first up my other year. Now based on stubbornness with whom I got the idea, okay, come up my house, all those single women that want to pursue my for us. You understand? I'm not saying my guy, I'm not come out go anywhere. You carry that belly, it's me I'm for you. How do you know this belly? I want to go anywhere today. I mean when you come to another baby father for abroad. I say no, I'm not go anywhere. We come argue. Think of result of Balebe matter. When I did that prison, I carried my 100 phone enter the prison. 200 phone I carry enter the prison. Then the little way they collect the 200 from my hand. They remove, they say any of the SIM card where they use pass. They give me one of the SIM card. They give me their own personal techno phone. Techno. All those techno phone and they give me. That techno phone is a tracker. Any conversation they make, they record that for their office. So they can't give me. That's the phone I was using when I was in prison. The only person you know say I did prison then. Now Princess Babette, we did for UK. You were one of UK. She was the person I knew that I was in prison. Everything happens in our present. For phone, me and the phone when everything happens, bass goes, they can't go prison. When I did that prison so she can't call down my line. The line can't go. How it can't go because when the motor set, I can't call for a year. After about 3 to 4 days, he tried my number not go. After about 4 days, he can't call. The phone can't ring for prison. I can't pick up the UK number. Come on, say, so Frank, come and send me Frank. Send me prison of bed. I said, okay. After I could have fired. And I said, when I soon, call it Mazado. When I soon, based on the phone, I'm good, I'm phone mail, but they for many. Phone here, really, man, yes, you control the phone now. You understand? So, him, my matter. Now, I know one of them, you live on the room, you know, or when you marry in Nigeria, or marry in Nigeria again. But why am I divorced? That was 2018, like that. Why am I divorced? No, you know, when you marry in Nigeria, but all wrong. When you see no good call it, come out of that family. No good have a family or where a ring. Now, okay, now she helped me boss and give my wife, my ex-wife then. My ex-wife now come my father, to my brothers then. You left me so. Before I said, no, I just said that I just went to the light dog. Even that person with that pass my house. Men are going to pass a friend, I'm going to my okay. This one will do my house, somebody pursue you and I say, hey, I go and watch play, hey, I go and do this one, hey, I go and woman will come out to you. If you want help woman, let her come for your man. Let me see when they come out to you. That's like us call it. Everywhere call it make something stay worry this one. Because you don't get one small belly, you're in front. That's it. Now in my bonnet. I'm in the front of my pa. Now you born 6 to my pa. Now I pack where what still worry you? Because you were there abroad. That's what I found myself up quickly. Like this. God do one, I still ball out. As I did that prison, and they go in cafe bar, and they go the brass for internet. They give us 2 hours outside that prison. Where you feel go, your browse, or you log in your Facebook, you upload anything you want to upload for Facebook. People when they follow you, to say you see just the auntie. I don't say no, like I click. Most of the video after they post my video. Now I click about do all those things that time. You understand? Because I want you to request that they'll give you. If you want to do gym, like when I register for football for that prison, and they play for that prison. You understand? For that prison, I play ball where no day when they go feed. Because the prison big like for Bremen City. Prison big that. Different group D, group C, group A, group Z. So I'm building group. This they'll get challenge, they'll do challenge, they carry cup. They'll do challenge. This group will go play with this group. Will go first like they see Champions League now, Premier League. You understand? Now so we tell now for there. Oh yeah, let me block it for here. Come on my platform. So where's the play? Oh, your back come out today. When you see say I don't that game when you want to play with FA in name. For take collect money before. I don't block him. Okpa na pin na yo. E na pin yen te plan ni that na we go play. Say I want to call the money for her. Mo to take good lawyer. Okpa na fian. You want to twist them. See the way they twist them. I tell you, the way they twist them. Criminal is always a criminal. See the way they twist the story now. You can't say, me you have a picture of your life. I don't see Bologna. You belong to somebody by what you belong. You belong to anybody. I don't wait the Bologna. Then it's young. And the man will not soon die. If I there, and then you want trafficking. Pay. You don't move your car. You didn't have a fay in a fay. You have worry. Una woman worry. This and that. Now I am doing fay dinner. You have to look, you know, the idea you log in. Now you got it. You got it. Well, listen, I want you to talk today for the video now. Watch out. Now, I have a people who then they said they don't try as a body, as a do union Bologna. You are trying to make sure we understand the fame. But when you have about Balibu, you are not the set camera you were fame. The camera got a video fame, the fame, you go near me, you can't go ahead. So you need enough evidence to fight anybody not the young you do on the fame or young do play on the fame. So for the now, the matter of gas or the year, every year on anybody knowing you seek a police station, you are not. Anybody knowing any seek a prison, whatever you are to it, and all kind of raw. Now you have going to high. What 50 euro, you know? I didn't know high. And they are back with more. They have you where you are. Coca-Cola. That's a see my guy. Criminal, Anini. Because you know why? As I brought up this morning, tell us, nobody should donate money for social media presenters. They are criminals. If they say make una give them $1 because of FAE, we will not give them money. We will give them our own cup of tea. They feel so. Before I know what's going to happen, and the month become got twist time, come then and then. But your mind is smart. That was a nice one, bro. You try for that one. For that game, you played with twist time. Then never not go say you want to come back. Okpa Fian, my God. Hey, we. Okpa Fian. You are not like me because I'm going to cut down. Enough for one in your Fian. Yeah, wow, Fian. Yeah, wow, yeah. Now, when I say I say lie, you say, well, I'm going to set camera for the house. You will not know if they arrest the fair, they don't arrest the fair. Now, they say, well, of 40 years, so normal level, now we tell the years, the story now. How you can't no see they set camera for house? You know, my brother, you have one, let's go, who be a me, who be out, and the most who be a me, they were soon when they were going, Jabo, Taparak, my dog, Oyomba, Jenny, we want to use every means, and anything will happen, you want to claim, you only that one way the movie. I saw spending no give. You can't know the come up with the family. Now everything I go take the family for media. Everything just be like Benin. If person born, they go drink beer, they go celebrate. If person die, they go celebrate. If person pass exam, they go celebrate. If you fail, they go celebrate. Nothing you want to drink beer. Now everything you go to collect money put. If you hear all you know the goji. I see my social media now. I mean, the men I do get one way here. If for money I fraud them, I media now. Hey, are you boy on? Hey, are you boy on? Oh, yeah, is Zua. Oh, one more Zua, the next person on Yega. Bros, make Yega anymore. My come also, that is the body yard again. The prison of the government. The Kayaga. One time, prison where this place is better than my house. When I say, I was walking. In a row, the morning, I go to the 350 men in Montagba. When we got away prison in our winner, in our bebo. In the sun. I have 11 one live in our live. We have 7 we not be on well. When well here will prison. You don't feel me so? Before we run enough me go in the Jody kissing me, like even we are in Italy, that's that prison. You don't feel me so? Oh, yeah, that's a video. Oh, what can I not God? Oh, my sexy mulatto. Oh, God. And the moment they pay you, at the moment, so you want to use my wife to come, boy. Who have to boy, so you look my life face, the usually come. My ball, loud, Monu Yari, done. But I was better. Oh, when you marry you, who no one Onyiwa, ukona tayo vena la go dokin kawi no je. Okuno meni okuno onyi okuno ekrata. Okuno gwa respect do. Okuno gwa rigini rodo. Okuno gwa rigini rodo. Oh, abakana we. Atana ngewe. Newa hawe na ruwa. Chega ndo kwa la so se. Na wali brother la maske brother la. Koda di la to se ta so ye kin no we. O gbe gbomo. Ye mo se Daga ko ya mo yo la ni etwen lo me gbedere o e ga ye pe kon ona die that is we ma gbegbe ma ro yo egbo ni ase ko ro gi ma ono no yo wo ni ma ti ma ga e ma go ro o ro no en gbe emi na ri oku me ma ri oku gbegbe wa gbe wa score me ma ri oku gba ni water o me ma gbo wi me the movie u dare le ya ma so we be jenu ni e ba ni ari we agree o wa wo ki me human trafficker o we me human trafficker be hin o na wa die o die yi ze ge we ya ta lo ri ina wa de pe wa die o we e fa vito e human trafficker no e fa vito human trafficker Ege la bu 2016. Oba last stop limit avec 2017. E copy me ye camp. Me iri tomato si bread. E deza woro iri mo. Last stop you much. Then me ya fe ma je ku. Ina go boy na very sorry. E be wo we ni. Obi me ko e je so me wa like boy na si. O wa like skin. O like skin go wa down. Now we just know wa like skin. Awa you much of give me. Awu me wa ti go fo. Even ya new me, you know, I see boy, you have video here. Yeah, when you are blackmail here, you know, when you me. Anybody know I have video. Tell me, woman of Ballet. Tell the woman of Ballet. When married to live on what the woman of Ballet. What be why? It's a rubber bossy. And the more name will not Ballet, you know. Came up with another on your gun next is wherever you are like child abuse. Who were the baby of Muga? And when you are doing it, who be billion me a little Utahan. Even more, Norwegian warrior, and you are not paying tax. Because at the end, when they pay the money, those mother will not claim single mothers. Just for them to have documents. Only pay your body in Bena. Just to get documents abroad. More Harry Potter of Germany. Don't play. No matter any come Mon Harry Potter with a bomb police for no vice with me. Thank God we are dressed well. You understand? Very soon you receive letter from comments. Yeah, it's your way. What was that? Well, what don't play. Oh, where did? Again, I don't know where. Who are you? I see my way. But I don't know where you're playing. If I'm here, now here we be. When you human trafficker, if you were not probably you with the kuna, she was a human trafficker. If you were she was a human trafficker. You know that. These are all human traffickers. You are all human traffickers. You are all traffickers. I do my drink. Hey, you boy. Don't play. Hey, you boy. You good learn. All the Airways and all the Don Airways, the Don Mugu and the Ogiobas, you guys are good learn. Don't play. You are good learn. Very soon you are good learn. Hey, you boy. You go to Ireland. Am I fake bad? If we were brother, you baby. Amazon, I better pass you. I better pass you. I better pass you. Amazon, you never born. Amazon, you marry, you did last. You marry, you did last. Amazon, me and Mama Laura, we did together. We marry. We did together. Hey, doggy. Come here, man. I will just look you, I will laugh. You know why they laugh you? According to you, you say me marry, I don't know how to in that place. And you and your so-called Ebutu, who are you are living together. You're good. Love yourself. Bro, only me want better pass you at Boyeke. You know why? Boyeke never carry house for abroad now. He's still a baby girl. He's still under government. Now government they feed you at Boyeke. Why? It work when I want to pay her straight. You guys are you are not living, you are squatting with a woman. There's a difference between you having a house, calling yourself landlord, than squatting with a woman in the house. Don't play. All because you're looking for document, bro. You are not living with Mama Nora because you marry her. You're not living with Mama Nora because you love her as a wife. You're living with her because you're looking for document. That's why you're giving birth every week. You don't finish so? Who are BLE every week? Because of documents. You see, because I want to plan my life well. First of all, I have to start looking for apartments. To stand myself as a man. Let me face the world and take responsibility. That's looking for women that already acquire wealth. Women that have house who I can come and squad with. Living like a lazy youth out there. You don't feel the vibes. I want to stand and take responsibility as a man. That to squad with a woman, after government give the woman, they can't give me job. No, it doesn't work like that. If you have stood as a man, I could have known this guy, my husband, that guy gets strength, that guy gets vibes, that guy can't now. Yes, fine, get started to make money. But you, don't level, bro. I thought what time I've told you time start number. God, come and make I teach you work. So you go fit stand as a man. You know me say you go live manora. Oh yes. As I did here, so I get girlfriend for Germany, I get girlfriend for France, I get for Spain, I get for Austria, I get for UK, I get for America, I get for Canada, I get for Australia. You don't feel me so? Look, every me know they do things hard. Me know they have things for woman. Any movement where they make move today, my wife know. If you don't know, I make it know. My wife know this is my movement. I'm always straightforward to her. You don't think so? If I get money at the bank, my wife must know how much enter my account. You hear her? She don't want to go there and collect on my account. You don't want to give her, I want to give her. But she must know how much I get at the end of the month. It not be like you. I've married 200 euros. Now, Edo Union Association take give you as a gift for your baby. Your wife deliver. What will happen? It did here. When you are Latino. GPC people donated 2,900,000 give you. What if you go tell your wife for his house? 280,000 and they give you. Nice, you just decrease. They say you better pass me. Like, seriously, bros, you really better pass me. For stupidity, you better pass me. Illiteracy, you better pass me. You think so? With wisdom, I pass you. But you don't go feel no. Because as you can see now, you are copying from me. It may not do marriage. You don't say you go do marriage. No, let us use a cultural dance marriage that do. One room marriage now do. I agree. If I not do that one room marriage, why do you not do your marriage today? For how many years don't promise marriage for this social media? Why you not marry? Why busy now when I can't do marriage? Think can't treat guys. See, this boy when you think say you better pass. Fit get my go marry for like that. Now you will phone will do get nothing go marry. This one slap to your face. Now slap to your face. I need to call my mother-in-law. Mother-in-law, I want to marry. Mother-in-law, I want to marry. You talk about second talk about happy drive, I want to marry. Happy drive, second talk about I want to marry. They could go, my no investor, you don't care what to scatter everywhere. My marriage, money, what do they call? Luxury marriage. That luxury marriage, I want to one shock or Muslim. Muslim provoke me. I want shock or Muslim. Mommy. Hello. Yes, Yahweh marriage. Yahweh marriage. Yahweh marriage. Most Yahweh marriage. Yahweh marriage. Yahweh marriage. Yahweh, what can you imagine? Most of Yahweh marriage. Mommy, mommy, manifesto, you me manifesto. Most of Yahweh marriage. Mommy, Yahweh marriage. Yahweh marriage. What are that? Yahweh block is a contact. You are ready for a speaker. Yahweh block is a contact. Okay, no one. Call you, I will marriage. Mommy, who are the children when you are deciding? And another way deciding. Mommy, Kakabot charger. Kabawa, you go whether I will go, but we never Kakaboa charger. What can you feel by you? I can't marry. My sexy way. Mommy, my when now, my when you one of it. And I had the time. We would have what if you want to come off your body. And now, I will one. Any of your body. The night is when one of your body. And we have my see, remember, Baba. Oh, so they back out. Oh, go boy, I will marry you. Oh, I have to go here. You get me? Hey, Mamma. No, when you go. Oh, Yama Quada. Hey, marriage na go yako kwe. Ana la waja. Ana babesa. Na la ko like me. La mo na bi egbe. Oh, na ke hem ko wa. Ona ke na ye egbe. My fans. I beg. Make una buy my clothes. Why I don't hear? Hey, jealousy, I fancy not love here. My fans. Well, I to go love my fans. Oh, you know the fans. Una too deep. You know the fans. They support me here. Ever when the first thing supporting her. Ever seen them love you? Ever not supporting you? A no gay collection service. A no gay collection ministry. Pastor, you don't get hello. Bad guy, your format too tight. Gamma, your format, when you do the bed, he too good legit. My guy, a format you well legit, to be with my guy. Legit format where you beg. Street beggar. My guy. All they do should not better pass you. And they test you. What do you go live video? Like, oh, they disgrace yourself, public disgrace. To go how am I married? And when you're even with your marriage, you go with them on behind. So then, go. I go for something God punish you. Because people, when they beg money, may they give money to do man. They may see no one that will say, they don't get husband. Go, they come. Some will come. No man, they call the lash them. Unless they use it to do those sad up everywhere. Everybody know Dido better. All of them are better. See, they are better when they pump air with Dido. There's nothing like Bola. Bola goes straight to the normal ink on him. Dido's categorize everywhere. If you can see young girls that open book for girl, like my warehouse. Boah. To talk with your white. Like this stretch come for some. Boah. Before, if you look up by that slim pan, they pass it. Now, if you look up by the. If you woman, if you can't see him, the way the pan go kill for second because you be like the tie rope for bridge. And then by that time they use rope with the climber, the crosser. I saw some women, some guest makers be now. Where Dido don't wide down, Dido don't spread that all every nyama. Because of the Dido better as in roba as ekiama na ilahi or eka wide way. I'm like, we robber. Why we robber? We want to worry robber. We so now like shook robber. It must not be big Bola. He get the man to target you. Or what solo? I feel like when I continue over when I chicken over you want to have disconnect, connect. When I disconnect, connect. You know what I feel like? Don't die. Well, I don't know if you go to the young marriage. Why can't you do more than you are? I'm going to know why you are. I know you're in Miami or America. I've been in America. And very long only in Miami. Single mother without no husband. Oh, why I didn't know you? Oh, my God, why you didn't know me? There's some women, sir. Or who no husband. We have to do the children of a young marriage. Or young house on the back of the young marriage. He meant the war. Everything now, we your social media. We will turn out on that thing. All of them are presented now so fitter. I mean, really face of it. Fitter. A look the man with fitter a boy was jello. Or as jello now on the leg. Or a little. No one was a Sabo no se. Sabura agora fitayo, sabura wa bleed unu ya wa inside. Wewe sema sema sabura. Sabura tete wewe sona yi. Tete wewe sona yi fitayo we live video yi. We are true with live video we are watch yi. We are watch na face we riba wo. No si la no kunya la ye Fita Squad Association. On no mo se ne e ba ya no dey long for all these years they know the kind of person. Ina Fita wan come make you see mama. When you go to the Fita, what it means. If you no, Yaga, Mone, a beck no Fita. A Fita load the art at the they are there to you. Fita, or why you Fita will tell me to a billion no, son, no, what does it? Or when I want, man, no, since I know more. And now that. And you know that television, and your talk. Black Leon supposed to give you a very good lesson. Okay, as I talk about the system of saga. No be what I see for Facebook. Don't be I see for knowledge now. And they tell you, no, I don't want to use it around a cup of tea or a backfire. Filter, they change your Facebook. Look Nancy with Monica. If you Monica for that video, Monica will do so. This is your filter, Shasta gone fair. You understand? And Nancy whether Monica was shocked. Because of filter. Be your real self. Be your real person. You know, when I watch the video now. When I watch the video, we go greet. The two videos where see we go and praise Nancy. Nancy was talking. The first time they go with they call that the Cora. Now what Nancy ever talk? Now what Nancy ever talk? Ah, see Monica. Then see carry face. See who guess who I have here? Nancy. Ah, that's so Jesus. Ah, this is your filter now. Wow, since I call your fair. I'm not the following her sister. I'm not following her sister. I'm not shock. And I'm not going to see it right now. Ah, I'm not following her sister. I'm not getting shocked. Why are you using natural video? I don't understand now. We're not getting a fan, we're not getting a fan. Who are serious? You're a fan for what? You use your fan, don't love you, don't love you. Who don't love you, don't love you. Who don't you be respect you? Who don't you be black and white? He don't love you, don't love you. Be your natural self. Especially when you are single. You never marry, you be single lady, single girl, single mother where they find man. Be your natural self. Let man love you naturally. See your natural face. They fall in love with you. Don't depend say people not your face smooth for Facebook. If they see for ground, as in what they better face, big people know your face. Or you what you are here, that's not what's up. But for Facebook, it go be no. Or your body go be no because of filter. It not be saga how I know the truth. Now for president when they use filter, not be one person. Let's not say I mention your name, not be one person. Now advice. Who will marry you tomorrow? Because everybody gets your husband. Tomorrow, if you see jam, the man will marry you. May you not be the same thing. We will see me encounter. Now you see go encounter. One thing, you don't go. Second one, you know, my sister, one of them use brain. Me go now, I go with filter. You know clear. Your body go, you go with filter. You know clear. Sister, you know go change filter. I change filter. You know understand? You change filter. Be your natural self. Let man love you naturally with your real face, your real body. Stop this your beauty camera chat, Snapchat when they do video. You know the help. I don't want my drink with peace. I want I'm understand you know. Because I see many guests now. They don't collide enter beauty camera. In here why watch it. Open no adita no no ile why de no literally. Only wa gbele yo o wa te. No wa mi o. I tell na mo say amalawa part 1 and 2. On ma face you look what that we do. So the no wa bon. O menwa. Ba do so ko je no wa live do na. Mi na wa ba nya. Teni amusi se yan odo. Egbe na mo re. Egbe na mo se me na se no aye to ka la o na we ta okpa na pa wo. Owo ni amusi se bro si yan odo. All of them are single. So you soon now. Why do you? Why do you? My brother, what to do? You know. We watch a video here. I'm going to be. I don't know how money you. When we marry you, I'm going to go. I'm going to go. You pass-through. You get me. Yeah, how about my water? Yeah. But I'm going to water. I'm better. I'm better. Water. I don't know. Someone on your door. Then go on your Zoom. Odoro or Zoro. Understand? If we go on your door, it's not in your Zoom. So what's in Nande Runanua? Memioku, Imamioku. Or Uno. Yes. Ukono mudia no ya maeno ukono wa vasbia o ati amugba no kuno ti go gba ni gba there you so that's the woman I marry, that's the woman I'm looking for. Understand? He knows me too well. I'm very free and flexible and flexible master in what you well. You understand? Connection in your attitude me one you know why me jara wana wa gbe mu an yesterday. Yes now. Wa gbe mu an. Was it having that connection of no more around me to be constituting nuisance? You understand? Or pulling people anyhow necessarily without no proof? You feel me so? Things are working perfectly at its own time. One thing I will tell you guys, keep doing good. It helps a lot. You get why? Keep being yourself. Be your natural self. Let me love you naturally. Just for who you are. The only bad thing you have, change it. Talk. Man, we're not going to let man talk, we're going to talk. That character, man don't like him. Many of you from me don't get that attitude. Deviate from it. I did this life, you have to talk for 4 hours. And I will stop. Person will call in. I will off my ladder. I will your person keep us I'll play you 4 hours. But if you, for those of now when they follow me talk on WhatsApp after live video, I don't know if I talk with 30 minutes, I don't end the call. I don't summarize the video, I don't know if you talk. But when I sit down for this my Facebook, I feel clear you 10 hours I'm talking. I feel they put up this, I see they spread the age. No. But out of Facebook, I have my own life to live. Peacefully. Peace. You don't feel so. No way. Oh, women, some say, you know, what be a biological father. Well, I'm down here. Many are about your way now. Let me tell you, my boy, you are a boy, you are a boy. Take me to any course. As far as I'm concerned, the money or women, they are my sons, they are my daughter. Money, young. No go to you. Anybody know you, you only want that, not people. No, that's fine. Other than number one. Number two, as far as they are my children, I will do anything with my children. They are my children, they are my biological children. That's my life. These are my children, they're my happiness. Yeah, I didn't know your answer. When you are EU, yeah, dear, we are here because we are living. Even we are in a comfort because we are. Yes. Or say, no, it's lacking of back. By the grace of God, because learn from me. I will tell you, use my kind of person till they leave your house. You will see your wife will be happy with you. Yes. Hey, I only the saga you look the good side about your memory. Use them and follow up with your life and with your family at home. You can see when there's difference between you and I. The maturity is too long, it's too big. You understand? Every day, not only you win as his home, woman, you see, because wife, your wife is waiting to see good mother and time to come. You know my no life there, now there, now there one. I need what is it going to be here? My name, you were Korea away. Or I want sent to me Facebook now. I am pay. No career of I am the pay who are away. Or your way, we are here. Yes. Every day. Man didn't know who wanted good money, good money. Yes. Then I apply last month. Men on Facebook. Or I am in a life contract. You understand? Or not. You may apply that in another way. My plan. My plan even it's my how was. If you want to put on Facebook, no one put on Facebook. If you want to put on Facebook, Facebook family. No lack of video, no lack of it. You understand? Seeing is believing. You are there getting one-on-one. This is my life. You follow up with it. You follow up here plan. You plan there. How you surprise it first? You don't find you oh. First we back with this man, we not with this man, we buy this man, master. I want to call you. Where I'm a being who's a way I do a good one. I deeply by the replace who the Buddha. He gives a gay or one year no master where. That's why I buy outside to go. Wait. You are trust me, woman, you are here. You are what the one you already go up to mask, you bring to go and bad private jets. And I power to myself. You understand? Every time I know because I plan, you know, the plan. They plan with your wife, they carry your wife along. I'm with the moon and here long. Master, no, we are young gay. He's not your man from my own. I'm way along. And when we're too boring, when we always must talking, carry along. They learn the good side, the bad of so with the bad side. That's why they always tell you, in every nonsense, there is always a sense. I'm going to say now. I remember you to as of here to do about the room. Or one of my virgin marry. You know, I'm a virgin. Or one of Jesus Christ. When she's not making me happy, I send her out of my life. Straight down. If you don't know, make you know now. You know, I not be that kind of man. Whether they use to kill the time. One of them, don't be a guadalmo, you want to me pay a Jimmy Van Yana here. No problem, or that's the problem, the problem be send there a urine test to go in your hammer. You must send out if you like your ball is out and your own cup of tea, you're not sent. I'm not coming back to you today. Often up is a single lesson when you say you will stop and go away. I don't need that, I dash you. That's my decision. That's the kind of my hand. Look back, I'm going to you see the reason why the thing they pain them each time they see me with woman. Because for their mind, they will see one of these days will set you back again. So they are shocked to say I don't go on that level. They'll come and do the second woman. So I can't go, go to the law, you don't go. But I don't look back. That way. If me did, you are that kind of woman that disrespects me, that doesn't respect me, that doesn't pay my principle. If I want to track all you that will say, if like I want a trader or we are winning, even when I saw boss a little back, you don't know. Well, okay, a trading, a movie, we are quiet here. You don't go to your battle with that's what you always be. So you guys go and work on yourself, women. We have a lot of men out there who need serious wife, good women with good attitude. You understand? If you're not working on yourself, who won't give you man? You go out. Like no, for next month, no. I will start that program. This connection program. You understand? There's a lot of men out there. They need woman, but they fear. Now this man, woman go their house, but they don't need to record themselves. They will record themselves, they don't be free with each other. Which is very bad. Very, very bad. Yes, I get proof. So I get proof. More video woman will talk anyhow, will talk when they call it, not to really quarrel, but woman will record. If not settle tomorrow, how much that man will really look you. That one I want to women don't understand. Which imagine man will record the wife. Is that not a useless man? He get one woman for no way. I don't know where I'm not bet you, I'm not genuine here the woman did. We but that call last video that time. The money can talk for the matter. The man I carry wife come on live, the man record the wife. Record the wife, carry come on play record of the wife for live video. I was ashamed of myself, say, God, which kind of animal be this one? That kind of woman now, when man go the record, the woman freely they talk to your husband, they quarrel. The husband has the record. That's why when they use quarrel, they ask the woman. When they find the woman quarrel, any woman when they vex can say anything. Then the man now come to the record and won't give presenter. They believe that they beat the woman. So the woman a bad person. You know me, my own case is different. I think that matter that year. The man when I talk to the family that kill Keke. Keke and the Jeju. And I know them. I don't want to mention your name. The family that back Keke and the Jeju. He record the wife can't come for this video. Bad man is always a bad man. Tomorrow, that kind of woman, how that woman will really fall in love freely with her heart with another man again. Pala. I do my drink. How I know. Marriage for abroad can hard or you love her. Or if you have a big near or you big guy, what's not single? It's a money. A case living together, self-cutting, living in low. When I said to stay you walk back. I was a little good madam, we are in your payment and live alone. See the Google away like a doing or I don't know, where are you? What are you about? You are going to monitor. You see, also, it's one woman character. Yama, with ya. So I will club in your Guania, Toya, Bulu Yakiani, I have respect God. In God. Here when you respect, you why respect because you are giving you why. Don't you are so those kind of a woman, those kind of men, why are you marrying her? That is the problem. Voila. May God help them in Jesus' name. Solomon of you can ruin the ballon if you have feel with the near own women. A life you know, especially when you have a wife, when you have a woman. When I let you many phone, when I were a voatu, or the guy will go. When I took away men and strong, I don't want to be palo. When I take a man and marry, 20 times we are not there. Saga continue, saga. There was a Sam Majesty. Oh God. Saga with that old one bastard. When they married, let me come down. As a big boy now. I love him. I will have video in a man as well. I will slow down. You know why? Because he did coconut NB. He did coconut the I never knew one of something my brother. Now I grab it. Now I know. I want to wait the dinner on my coin. The day I be more beauty. I don't know what happiness in me matter. May I not go if I say, but me, I also have to say, calm down. Who of you calm down? I say, calm down. If you're UK, Ugari to see the 1 hour. If you're London, you're UK. Ugari see the UK. Ugari see the UK. Why everybody may fool? Why a matter of fool? If I'm in the UK, I will never do trust me in the UK. Miriam, who know what of the UK. Do money. Ya wale zile mateu mani like pune wasi ya gbe hu matawe no dizi gbe ya ran matawe me yo mo no le UK odoga boru gbe mi are utesan ida ka mo gba si de na we menwe na no need to doctor we me go answer wow won't be proud is no pride I know I did it next don't know if say gbira native doctor no get the sigbira all the others have never died heavy all the heavy is the boy na beka asana ai yes no a Moscow the Moscow bumi are the doctor or is winne obuna kana we so na na gure na gbon obuna kana na gbon a Moscow o ka obuna kana we frank na gbon so na he or is winne latest updates, a picture will not appear. Always when name on let love leave, a picture will not appear. You understand? If we want to try a live video, even the with the lobo, I want to know you about Biana. I want to know about Biana. You know, swing here. No Biana. All in that boulevard. And Mary saga ona go bi so yin eri ateni yin eri ya kama won yin ona pa do go ona ya webo o ti e bo re la bi ye ne odo o bi e lo pe an ya be gbo o da fun wa wo o bi e no gbe ona ti ya be gbo da fun wa wo iwa mi di mo tele na be ja wa bu ni na wa bu next month na o yan we e birthday ni post a picture again. No, say I post the picture. It is I don't forget. I'm not forgetting. She that day. I don't know I don't know born with. So again, I do that one and I say na. Ya wa say, "Eh, why I say boy dey. Ya ya me boy gbe. Ya ya me gbe. Ba no ya me boku ma. Aye mu dem. Ku wa ko bono se bono wa ko wa ya bi azu. Wa ya gbo wa le seminar. Imagine. Yaga. Here I say woman I say bono ya what say woman na see never dry. I don't see never that we have to sister the potty. Or you are reading. Or you are reading now I'm bug me. When you have me 7 please. Or you're any wrong. Or you're too job. Or you're too open. Or you're table. Ina hamawe mamakani emi na oniru awoniru emi ni we come and apologize and I will let go. Really? on a going to upload that in anyway. Abi, arrest for the matter. Since then, I ain't going to but easier wound. Easier wound than any woman. Easier to be a woo. A man like easy. They may not be here. It may have tear bone, or they are dead week, or they are go sing a week. Sing a week. Especially now, I'm here. I pray on the this time. Ya one who was what boy one. Any given was set to peace. So that peace go day. What from Buga? Only know it down another like a brother. Emia call. Emia. I'm be down. You must go to man. Honestly, not like me. That's the reason why boy and what's here. National Jowa in action with them. I'm very straightforward somebody. Why we are here? Julie Mitte, not the UK, Julie London. No, I didn't fully Kyobo. Or Bodo, or Franco Moswo. Yaga, or that for no yard double, Yakiwa. Or let's say I know, or your money, or your mom. Honestly, I track to me. Imanaji. These are the people that way. I tell you, Iria Idolabu, Iria Bumania, Iria Bugania now Ganyan. In a Mobile only, and the human traffickers. The Mafia equally low with the bread price wrong, but I have been in one of the alley. What had done it all, equally move here to put on, don't feel lily or let away. A bread price, we are not going to go, you who marry Tony. When you are very new one, a boyfriend, no man will go you won't. Oh, what can very new one up there? Oh, when you come go, you want to come and bring it. It not belong to the family of that any. A Canadian love me can do unto. And then you wouldn't. Upman and Obui, MOG, and Julie Mitty. Julie go Godala. No, we are Julie London ye. A quick comment ye. How can I acquire me a kaya? No, I have in a bowl or see my yiki. Don't choose or do compare presenter for media. I got discussed with that. I don't know, Bonnie, one of them. I say, Saga, Bonnie Saga, I say, Saga, you know, oh, boy, let me know, Bunokwa. Emilio Marone, oh, by a Bunokwa. Oh, if you're Iwo, ya. Okay, boya. Oh, boy, I want to saga that bullet boa. While we're joking. When somebody the educational wants to now the front this one. You know, my boy, and when I have another thing that when I see the billion, or my say, away. Rubbish. Oh, you're not bullet. Oh, the rest is not there. Morning on your pickle. Morning on your pickle. Ọmọ ní ya pick-up. He's a no boy. Ọmọ sọ náà rẹ̀ ọ̀bẹ́ mú ẹni lè láì sọ́dẹ̀ ẹ̀mí tí a náà bàbá. Ọmọ understand. Mọ̀ ní ya pick-up. No, they were moving away shop the cat, but they can't do hair with the now, we want to back there pick-up the party. The money na pick-up. Money na pick-up, they're practicing lesbianity. You continue Banaka, you have one year for me. Only now I are threatening you. Whenever I believe you will be having with me, with you, Mamma, when I'm more interested in us. I reach your one, not the boy who rack with being black yavi. Hospital, hospital. Hospital. Yeah, you ever told once they pass me. You know, how we are sister you. Oh, I'm angry. And only the Buddha and the guy you were you didn't me. I don't get probably nice chicks now. I all lock up. It's not. Person, matter don't call this video. You know, I don't trust woman. Don't trust woman. Okay, now good. I don't trust woman. Now, I have to trust my. You know, black class is wrong. And I have friend of your way. Huh? Now, okay. Sister, no, you kid. Black price is wrong. We are friend of their way. If I come for you, you will not like me. If I come for you, you will not like me. As the woman, one of my boys, no one of my boys, you power man. I'm not going to have a then why I watch a video. You might explain to the woman. ó pẹ́ gbọ́n ẹwà ní ìwà gbogbo ìdòwú mọ́ yàgbọ́n lọ́wọ́ lọ́wọ́ báyìí ọgbọ́n mẹ́kọ́ lè lẹ́wọ̀ ọgbọ́n mẹ́kọ́ ló mẹ́wọ̀n náà ọ̀yá kọ́lé rẹ̀ plus ìwọ́ ṣe fìdí olóró wà gbọ́n ọ̀gbọ́n ẹ̀dẹ́ òní àgbọ̀n àìmọ̀ wà gbọ́n mẹ́wàá náà bẹ́ẹ̀ pàṣẹ ìgbéléwà rọ̀ wọ̀n ìṣẹ́ return ìṣẹ́ charlie return máa bí yẹn mi rẹ̀ ẹ̀ no problem ẹ̀mí ọ̀rẹ́ òun ni wọ́n lè sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ ọmọ ọ̀dẹ̀ náà bẹ̀rẹ̀ náà mọ̀ láyé kọ́ náà mọ̀ láyé kọ́ náà mọ̀ láyé kọ́ with me on phone yẹn náà lọ́gbọ̀n ẹ̀bùn iye náà gbọ̀n ẹ̀bùn ilé ya gbọ̀n ẹ̀ náà òkè ìgbẹ́gbẹ́ náà yẹn náà yíkú yẹn náà yà ọ̀nà yà wọ́n dọ̀ yẹn ẹ̀bọ̀rẹ̀ yẹn náà dì with yẹn let's go there now we now bring us together as a family. That was how I went to go to the Bible sharply. Sharply. What Umeru cannot do does not exist. Now that's not fair of your brother. That can never price go sharp. A woman is freedom. When you feel the whole world hang over your home. That one you are to Australia or London. What I tell you, I'm not going to put down my people to water. And my kind, my sister, my kind. Until okay, so just go now, we are free. Everyone will allow it to fair. So then the woman is free. I'm not a breakfast. Breakfast, I don't know where would they free one day, wake here. Eke a day we were a carrying a sota. So it's good to go. A man way to do speak with a sin commitment. I say, breakfast, you know. That was how that thing got happened. You understand? So my lovely beautiful sister out there, I've done damage. Who knew who also going to water. You understand? So no one people why. I think we are the river, so no one or the two one where you are feeling what was money getting. Then you book you man. You understand? Now there is no woman in Germany. I've been trying to reach this woman for the past, since last year, for the past 8 months now. I'm trying to reach her. They gave me a number. Her number is not going. It's like she's not going to use that line. Okuni kana bien okuya. Abi bien okuya na. I'm not bound enough from seeing his children. His 2 children. Hello.